Yeah, this time of year, they're in our monsoon. Boy, these storms can really blow up. They weren't moving very quickly. It was moving across the same area. Here is a look at the radar image last night. This is 5 o'clock. All right, so over Elephant Butte Lake, the rain was really coming down. The folks on the lake were getting hit hard with heavy rain, likely some hail, too. We had a nice little hail core there. And then look what happened. We get around Tier C. This is very heavy rain and even some hail. Had some reports of some pretty large hail that developed there south of Truth or Consequences. And look how it just continued to lift to the north. This is 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. This is all some moderate rainfall which is occurring. And it just continued for several hours from really 5 o'clock up until about 10 o'clock. Look at the 10 o'clock hour. The rain starts to lighten up there, but I tell you, it really came down in buckets across the area. Here's Doppler radar estimates. This is at 5 o'clock, and notice some of the rainfall numbers, over 3 inches, 4 inches in the parts of town as we drift farther down towards the south. Again, this is Friday all the way through the weekend. Look at KVIA Lake. Getting reports of almost 1 3/4 of an inch, even south around Oasis. Then as we make our way into portions of the Las Cruces area, you can see some of the numbers there, about 1/2 inch of rainfall. Then you get towards the east of town. And we're talking about 1 inch, getting close to 1 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. And then farther down towards the south as we make our way into the lower valley, Fabens, Tornillo. You can see some of the numbers there, a little more than 1 inch of rainfall. Now for the rest of tonight, we're just looking at 89 degrees at 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock at 87, 11 o'clock will be at 84. The winds are generally going to be from an east and southeasterly direction on the light side. Here's a look at our latest Future Track computer model. 8 o'clock tonight. Just tracking a few clouds around town. By 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll have mainly sunny skies, really mainly sunny skies across the entire area for tomorrow. So for the most part, most of us will be on the dry side. We're only going to keep in about a 10% chance for some rain by Wednesday evening. This particular model run wants to take in a few isolated showers, but not expecting anything heavy across the area. So I think for the most part, we're just going to be dealing with a lot of heat. Look at these temperatures as they rebound back into the triple digits. We're going to be watching Thursday very closely. That's the record high, 103, and we're forecasting 103. And then we'll slowly go down into the upper 90s to round off the rest of the week. Here's your highs tomorrow. We got Horizon City at 95. Notice Canutillo at 97 degrees. Doña County for you folks, we're going to be looking at temperatures hanging out in the low to mid 90s. 73 overnight tonight, just a few scattered clouds. Tomorrow, looking at 96 degrees, maybe a 10% chance of an isolated shower. 68 overnight in Las Cruces. Your high temp going to make it up to 93. Watch over the next several days. 100 on Wednesday, 103 on Thursday. Then some upper 90s for Friday into the weekend, although the rain chances go up just a bit, right around 20 to 30%. We'll take a break, have more news for you.